A wet towel hung from a clothesline dries and loses moisture through evaporation at a rate proportional to its moisture content. If after 1 hour the towel has lost 40% of its original moisture content, after how long will it have lost 80%? A key part here is that the rate of moisture is proportional to the moisture itself. So how do we write that? If we call the moisture M, then the rate of change of moisture is proportional to the moisture itself. We can solve this by separating variables, but we don't have to, because when we have such a differential equation, we know that M equals CEKT. It's the APERT from pre-calculus. Now, what did I know? After 1 hour, we lost 40% of the moisture. So this is a bit tricky, but if we lost 40% of the moisture, it means that M is 0.6. What remains is 60%. So if we want to plug this in, we get 0.6 equals CE to the power of K. T is equal to 1. So I have two variables here, and it looks like I don't have enough information, but we have to recognize that we also know that in the beginning, the moisture content is 100%. That's the original moisture content. It is 100%. So actually, if we solve this, we have 1 equals C to the power of E, C times E to the power of 0. So I actually know that C equals 1. So let me continue now from where I was earlier. 0.6 equals 1 times e to the power of k. Therefore, k equals ln of 0.6. I can either keep it like that, or if I want to have the approximate answer, it's negative 0.510826. If you use this value, keep plenty of decimals because we are not done. It's not the end of the exercise. The question is, after how long will the clothes have lost 80% of its content of moisture? And that means that what's remaining is 20%. M equals 0.2. Capital C is 1. E to the power of negative 0.510825 times t. So here it's easy to solve for t. T equals ln of 0.2 divided by this number, negative 0.510825. And if we calculate that, we find 3.15066, etc. hours. So in AP Calc, you can either truncate, which is 3.150 hours. You can obviously also write 3.15 hours. You don't need to write the third decimal since it's a 0. Or you can round and write 3.151 hours. That's also correct.